Magandang umaga mga kabataan. Yun, ngayon nasa trabaho pa tayo. 2:33. Yeah, 2:33. Marami pa rin tayong customers. Ito sila. Ayan. Puno pa rin, puno. Ang ating table. Pero lahat sila may tigla last 10 minutes. Last 10 minutes. Magko-close na yung ating billiards and PlayStation. But still sila ay masaya pa rin naglalaro. Yan. Pagkatapos nila lilinisin pa natin yan bago tayo maglinis ng toilet. Yan. Siyempre may mga toilet pa tayo. Hindi ibig sabihin sa kanya ating responsibilidad. Ito yung ating routine lagi dito araw-araw. Yan. Closing shift tayo kaya ganun talaga. Sila liwaliw na liwaliw pa ng paglalaro. Alright. And then may mga humahabol pa. Ayan, may humahabol pa. Wala na. Last na tayo dyan. Last na. Tignan natin. From Africa. May mga from Africa tayo naglalaro. Yan. Then Saudi, syempre, mga Saudi first timers, itong tatlong to mga first timers. Then ito naman mga regular customers natin, yan. Yan. Dami po sila. Yan. Nakatawa yung tatlong yan. Aha. Nagkakatawa lang po yan. Yan tayo. Say hi! Sa ating munting vlog. Sa ating customers. Where are you from, sir? Where are you from?
India.
From India. Yeah, hello from India. Mini vlog.
Sorry?
Our mini vlog. Our vlog.
Mini vlog.
Yeah.
YouTube?
Yeah, I have it.
Give your channel and subscribe.
Yan. Yung from India YouTube channel. At Batang Aloy 21. Yan. Muna natin, mini vlog natin. Yun, see natin yan from India. Thank you, sir. Nag-subscribe si sir. Yan. Sayo. Customers. The last 5 minutes for the service. Yeah, where are you from, sir?
I'm from Egypt.
From Egypt?
Yes.
Yeah, from Egypt, sir. First time here in our Rails Billiards. Yeah.
Okay.
How's Rails, sir?
Very nice.
Very nice. Okay. We'll see you soon then. Yeah. From Egypt. Right. Of course, finish ang ating from Africa. Hi, sir, ma'am, finish the game?
Yeah, we finished.
Okay, where are you from, sir?
From Tanzania.
Tanzania.
Yeah.
All?
All of us Tanzania.
Okay, welcome to my mini vlog.
Nice. And where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines.
House Rails Billiards.
Okay. Nice.
House Rails Billiards.
Very nice. Very
Very
nice.
nice.
Yeah, we like the table.
We'll be coming here every day.
Yeah. Say hi to our mini vlog. Thank you.
Nice. Really nice.
Yeah, you will see our YouTube channel.
Oh, your YouTube
Yeah,
channel?
I have YouTube channel.
Okay, show me your YouTube channel. Wote shika simu wote.
Tunashika
YouTube channel.
YouTube.
Rails.
No. I will touch it. Yes. At Batang Alay 21.
You can search now.
For the other one.
it. You can start afresh. It's not a
Cancel?
Yeah.
But,
It's not a Gmail. Yeah.
this one, sir.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Alright, let's subscribe.
Wait, let me take a picture. I'll subscribe when I'm home.
Yeah, at Batangalay 21.
Okay, so don't worry. I will subscribe. I will subscribe. Let me.
Yeah. Alright,
Maybe come on,
I'll
subscribe.
add the picture.
Maybe when you search,
Maybe. Subscribe. At Batang Alpay.
21. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Bye. 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 Yeah, sir. Yan yung ating mga customers. Tayo na sila nag-aalisan. Bye-bye. Table 3. And then meron tayong dito mag-call. Masahin sa ating mini-vlog bago tayo mag-close ng aking partner in crime. Our partner in crime yan. Lahat sila nagsusubscribe na. Alright. Sa ating mini-post. Pagkatapos na ito, toilet naman tayo. Yan, ayusin lang natin yan. Tapos may dala pa tayo doon. Kokol. Dito na. So, subscribe sila. Hindi na sila magkaintindihan. Thank you sa supports. Other nationalities. Saan ka lang yun? Alright. Okay, sir. Thank you. Say hi to our mini vlog. Hi. God bless us always. Amen. God bless you. Thank you. Right. Ating next. Siyempre, may couple pa tayo dito. Alright, finish the time all. Yun, last finish. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, sir. Yes, sir, in the counter. Yeah, thank you. Yun, naglalaro pa sila, nag-request. Alright. Hi, sir, ma'am. Hi, vlog, our mini vlog. Where are you from, ma'am? Where? Turkistan. How about you, sir? Same?
Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan. Alright. Say hi, our vlogs. Alright. House raised billiards.
What?
House raised billiards. In the experience when you play.
All question for
For her? Yeah. This is the first time we'll play here. Alright. He's from Kazakhstan and Turkmenistan. Turkistan? Kyrgyzstan. Yes, ma'am. House rails billiards. Oh, perfect. Good. Okay. Yes. And this is my mini YouTube channel. Yeah. If you can support it, it's okay. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Alright. Sir, where are you from, sir? Where are you from?
Huh?
Where are you from?
Egypt.
From Egypt. Yeah, we come from Egypt also playing some mini vlogs on YouTube.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Can I really play last game?
Okay, sure. But you need to pay first in the cashier because they want to accounting also.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you want before
No?
close? Huh?
No?
I will ask them.
Okay.
Yeah, they decided.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. Say hi. Bye. House rails billiards. Sir.
Huh?
House rails billiards. Experience.
It's my first time here.
Yeah, first time here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But like, just give me 1 hour free and I'll love it more.
All right. Next time, sir. When when come earlier to enjoy the time because 3 o'clock we're closed. Sorry. That's it. All right. Bye from Egyptian. All right. Thank you guys. Hanggang dito na lang muna. Peace out.